Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I say guys, it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, today my thing, what I want to do today is I want to do those I see they have those Korean spicy noodle challenge going around, guys. So I am doing that to Papa Harry today and a special guest. You understand me? Because, you know, guys, you know, we are Jamaican people. You know, Jamaican people love them spice. Papa Harry, him love him spice. But this hot spice Korean noodles here will have a twist to it, guys. Because, you know, the way I got twist, I gonna be some spur tree pepper. So, guys, this is the spicy Korean noodles that I'm going to use. And I'm gonna put the spur tree Scotch bonnet pepper with it for Papa Harry and my special guests. You understand me? Because you know what, guys, Papa Harry love him spice and him enjoy spice, but with the extra spice in it, Lord of mercy. Oh God. And guys, me need to get back at Papa Harry. Whichever way we need to get back at him. So this is what I'm using. And to spice it up, I make it like a challenge for whoever finish the noodle first. There's a prize at the end where them can get a $1,000. Mama Joan, I put up $1,000 for see who finish. So me I go try to eat the spicy noodle because me want to keep my money in my house. You understand me? So I'll be right back with you. So guys, there's my kettle with my water boiling now for my noodles, and then now I'm gonna put in my Scotch bonnet pepper. I put lots of spur tree pepper in there. Lord of mercy. It's my noodle. So that's one. For my special guest and Papa Harry. So now we're gonna go chow down on the spicy Korean noodles. So anyway, guys, here it is, $1,000 for my spicy noodle challenge. Special guest, come on in. You know, some people you can always catch them with money and food because them love them belly. Them are belly ass. Okay? So guys.
So to my defense, all they told me was food challenge and money. They never said spicy noodles.
Okay.
If they said spicy noodles, I would have thought twice, but I still would have came.
So now guys, how it a go run is whosoever finish first. And we eating slow, not fast.
Slow? Eat however we want.
Maybe eat whatever you want.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. So
what is the challenge? Who done first? What the challenges?
The challenges?
No, I win my money in a stop. How me I win my money? Tell me how me I win.
Okay, all you gonna win the money is that if you finish the noodle and you can't drink no water.
Then what you have the water for?
It's just there as a teaser.
Just can't drink nothing.
No.
Okay.
Do you have to eat off all the noodles or some
you have
of
to
the
eat
noodles?
all of the noodles.
Okay.
Okay?
So
All
you say
right,
when
so
to go.
2, 4, 6, 8, go.
That's a weird way to study.
Well, that's what we're about to do. Yeah.
Spice.
This is hot.
You can't drink no water?
No. Stop it.
Well, you can't boil this and eat it. Oh, I need some milk. tastes like. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my stomach.
Stomach? What's wrong with your stomach?
This is hot.
Very spicy noodle.
No, but this is extra.
Oh God. Sometimes take no water, but
extra
you want to
hot.
take that more and take it back.
If you drink water, me I drink water too.
No, this is really hot.
It is hot?
Oh, yeah. Honey, taste in my stomach, in my throat. When me worry about you, you know. When me get rid of it, fire in my mouth, fire in my ass, fire in my belly, everywhere, pure fire. Now get some sweet sugar and water with milk. So when you go to the washroom, me take that and after me done, me take it and soda my ass.
Oh, goodness.
Then I eat ya.
Got it! Got it!
Shows can't drink no water on it, you don't change the rule there, you know. Boy, me just ask, boy.
I'm not back of the sauce you.
You want the sauce?
No, sir. Me can't even eat too much, me never think me can't do this, you know.
This is hot. Spicy.
No, but you don't even like spice. How you eating yours like that?
Okay. I just move fast.
Move fast? The only can't move fast and you move so fast. Something not right, honey. No, sir. And it's never get no whole heap in your plate. Me never ever swear you get. Oh, God.
Well.
Boy, God. Boy. No, sir. No, sir. Boy. That they eat that, honey.
I'm done. Guys, I'm done.
You done?
Yep.
Something not right, honey. No, no. Oh, you done? Deal okay and done. Me not done. Oh, you done?
Done, so that's when me done. Me can drink some water now because me done.
I'm done. You're done.
$1,000 done?
Keep my money for me. Keep my money in my house. You guys lose. You guys couldn't finish the food.
So we can't.
The hot and spicy noodles. Yes. Why we think we could have deal with some spice? We can't deal with spice.
No, them are spicy. Them are spicy wicked. I love it that Jamaica man I eat nothing hot, so. And where you get them there something from? No, sir.
This is too hot.
Too hot?
On it, me a sweat. All of a sudden, me just start sweat, so. And when me go shit, you know me I worry about my ass. I come through that fire, I come through that blood clot. What you mean, honey? When me go shit out this now,
Oh,
me taste it by my lip,
God. Okay.
in my stomach.
Okay, guys. Like, guys, this...
No, sir.
D'Angelo, you gonna use the bathroom?
The man got ball like a bitch. Grateful. That happened to you when you're greedy. We can't take it little bit so we can imagine what you're dealing with. Boy. One of them eyes, I want to get one of them eyes.
D'Angelo, where are you? Really?
What?
Is that your belly?
Pepper, man. I feel good at all. Too much pepper on it. Yeah, I feel good. We get that hot chocolate. Me want to see them noodles. Me stay away from them. Oh, yeah.
Then you go wash your mouth with water.
I'm washing face.
And your face.
I have water.
Oh God. Guys. Are you high? Drink some more juice, honey. Drink some more juice. Well, guys, this noodle challenge is a prank on you and your dad.
Don't keep it about my mouth about me, so.
Guys, we have a little extra spice that I didn't have in mine. Some spur tree, Scotch bonnet pepper.
You see my lip?
Palm to your lip.
It feels like
It's
it's so
swallow. Yes. Oh my gosh. I challenge these guys to a spicy eating thing.
But why would you?
So we say, yeah, we'll never spicy like oh.
But why would you put more spice in there?
I give them a little extra spice with a twist.
That's not right there for you can't get all of the money, my girl.
And it's like none of them couldn't finish the food. Papa Harris still have the whole of things noodles if they eat none. D'Angelo eat half a feed and my one is finished. So guys, anyway guys, we come to the end of the spicy challenge. We come to the end of the spicy channel. Noodles, like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell things of mine so you don't miss a post when I post. And Daddy Dealer,
greedy.
couldn't anger the spice.
And it bite me, guys. Stop eating just a nyam, so like you never eat for a man.
Because Daddy Dealer wanted the $1,000 money food. Daddy Dealer is here. So guys, I keep my money in my house, and Daddy Dealer couldn't finish his noodle. So anyway, guys, as I said, like, subscribe, hit my post notification bell things of mine so you don't miss a post when I post. And I'm out of here with my money. Move your ass. Bye.